Hello, you're on the radio.
Hello, Ben.
Hi.
Yeah, I have an approved petition for my adult daughter, unmarried daughter.
Mm-hmm.
And how do I upgrade it when I become a citizen?
Where is your daughter?
In my country.
Okay.
Another country.
So, all right. So you have it approved. You have a notice. What country from?
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Okay. So you have it. You have an approved petition. You're going to become a U.S. citizen. You'd like to upgrade it. I assume you received a letter from the National Visa Center saying that your case is at the National Visa Center?
Yes.
Okay. So what you're going to do is when you become a citizen, you're going to photocopy your naturalization certificate, and you're going to photocopy your most recent letter that you received from the National Visa Center with the case number on it. And you're going to photocopy the National Visa Center letter. You're going to photocopy your naturalization certificate. You're going to staple it to a letter that you write to the National Visa Center and say, here is my daughter's case number. I am the petitioner. Here is the most recent notice that I received from the National Visa Center. I am now a U.S. citizen. Here is a copy of my naturalization certificate, and please upgrade the case. And you will get a letter back about 2 to 3 weeks later upgrading the case. All right?
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, 1-800-522-0804. When you're calling 1-800-522-0804, you're calling to schedule a consultation with me, whether you want to have that consultation in my office or over the phone. We have a $120 consultation fee, but if you prepay your consultation, it is only $99. 1-800-522-0804. That is the number for immigration. For criminal defense, we talked about Michael Biniakwitz. He's in my office right now. He is an excellent criminal defense attorney. He has won a lot more criminal defense trials than he has lost. I don't know the exact number, but I can tell you it is substantially, he has won substantially a lot more trials than lost. And what I mean by one is he got a better result for our client than what the DA was offering prior to the trial. He is an excellent trial attorney. Give him a call right now if you have any criminal defense issues, 1-800-28-CRIME, 1-800-282-7463. One other announcement before we go back to the telephone lines. I am in the process of putting together some television commercials and radio commercials for Spar and Bernstein. If you were a client of mine or a satisfied client of mine and you would like to appear on my commercial in radio or television with a true life testimonial, please call my office at 212-227-3636. Ask for Misty, and we'll see if we can get you in. We're trying to get some people together to do some true life testimonials for some commercials. So if you are interested in doing that, it would very much appreciate it. And just call Misty at my office, 212-227-3636. We're going to go back to the lines right now. Hello, you're on the radio.
Yeah, Brad, good afternoon.
Hey, how are you?
Not too bad. Friend of mine, I'm asking a question on her behalf.
Mm-hmm.
She has a niece here. She's a U.S. citizen.
Right.
Her father lives here. The child's father lives here. The child is over 20. And he fails to take full responsibility of that child. So she is left, as it were, in custody of the child. She has to do everything for the child, and she is a slow child. Get any assistance or get any help from the husband? Can she from the father, can she force the father to do his part for the child legally?
What would his part be? You mean financially or sponsor the child? Is the child here legally or not legal? Is this an immigration question or more of a family law question? I'm not sure.
It sounds like more of a family thing. She is legal here, but fails to take responsibility financially supporting the child, even though the child is with the aunt.
Okay, and where is the mother of the child?
mother is in Jamaica.
Okay. And the father basically dropped the child off with the aunt, and the aunt is not is the aunt, did the aunt apply to try to get help from, the aunt could try to be a foster parent of the child and get help from the government. That's for sure. In terms of
That's right.
right, in terms of trying to go after the father, that's a family law question, and I can give you. You can speak with Adam Handler in my office. That's beyond my expertise. I'm more immigration, but he can certainly help you and give you his advice. And you can just give a call at 1-800-522-0804. Ask to speak with Adam Handler in the family law department, and he can give you some advice on that.
1-800-522-0804.
0804. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
So this is not really an immigration.
It's not an immigration issue. It's a family law issue, which we handle, but it's not. I have other attorneys who do that. That's not my field of expertise.
All right.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right. 1-800-522-0804. That is the number to call to schedule a consultation. Hello, you're on the radio. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, Brad?
Go ahead.
Yes, I'm a U.S. citizen,
Right.
and I sponsor my mom. I received a letter. It's a I-797 notice,
Mm-hmm.
and it says that she's not eligible to adjust status, but they've approved their application.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Where's your
What
mom?
this
Your mom is here in America?
Yeah, she's here.
How did she come here?
She's here. She crossed the border.
Okay. And how long has she been here?
Since 1980, 81.
All right, so she's been here for 30 years. In those 30 years, has
Yes.
she ever applied for a green card before?
No, she applied under the LULAC program, but she had never got a response from them.
That's the only thing she ever did? Did she get a work permit from the
Yes.
LULAC program?
She got work permit. Yeah, she got
Okay.
a work permit
Did
before.
did she
in
get
the
a
past.
did she get a travel document?
No, she never got a travel
No.
document.
And besides the LULAC program, she did nothing else with immigration. Never filed anything else with immigration ever in her lifetime.
No, nothing else.
Okay. Well, what the law says is that in order for you to adjust your status here in the United States, you have to have either entered on a visa, which she didn't do, or she had to have had a bona fide application for her green card filed prior to April 30th, 2001. The LULAC is an amnesty application. It's not an application, a visa petition, or a labor certification, so it doesn't count towards the grandfathering. So unless she had something filed, either a visa petition or a job sponsorship filed before April 30th, 2001, immigration's correct. She can't adjust her status here. And if she were to go home, she has a 10-year bar because she lived illegally for more than a year. She wouldn't be able to come back for 10 years. And there's no waiver for that when a child files for a parent. So based on what you told me, immigration's correct. But I would still suggest that if your mother's been here for 30 years, she should come in and talk to me and let me find out a little bit more.
Well, what does the meaning of you're being approved and they sent the
It says
the application?
what it means is that they said you're eligible for a green card, but you can't pick up your green card in America. You have to go home to pick up your green card. And there's a law that says if you could go home to pick up your green card, you can't come back for 10 years.
Oh.
All right. So I would really strongly urge your mother to come in and talk to me. She's been here for 30 years, and let me find out a little bit more.
All right.
All right?
Thank you.
Okay. 1-800-522-0804. That is the number to call to schedule a consultation with me. 1-800-522-0804. We have about 45 seconds left for one more quick question. Let's go to that quickly. Hello, you're on the radio.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, quickly. We have about 30 seconds.
I have I recently landed last Saturday, and they didn't stamp anything in my passport, like, say, in 6 months. I'm
Right.
wondering if that's okay. They only stamp, like, the day that my passport expires, which is next year, December 12th. September 12th. Is that okay?
I would be concerned about that, and what I would do is I would go back to JFK Airport or wherever you landed to inspections and speak to them about it.
So what can happen after that? Is it that I will get like the exact date of my ticket, or they could just say go home?
No, I don't think they're going to go home. I mean, they should give you 6 months, but you should have it straightened out so you don't have a problem when you want to travel back the next time. Unless you're staying for a week or two, then it's not a problem. Just because just go home, and then it shouldn't be an issue. But if you plan on staying for more than a week or two, then I would find out exactly how long you're allowed to stay till.
Okay, because I'm planning to stay until December, but as I said, there's no date.
Right. Well, or maybe what you should do is maybe come see me first. Let me see the I-94. Maybe I can send a lawyer down with you here to Federal Plaza and work it out, so you don't have to go back to the airport.
Okay, all right, thank you.
All right.
Is there a number to call
Yeah,
you at?
I'm going to give you the call right now. 1-800-522-0804. That is the number to call to schedule a consultation with me. 1-800-522-0804.